अब आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि यूएस को ऐसा क्या रिस्क और कैसा क्या डर लगा जिस वजह से उन्हें यूएस डॉलर की बैकिंग को गोल्ड से चेंज करके ऑयल बेस बनाना पड़ा। तो किसी भी कंट्री को चलाने के लिए उन्हें लोन लेना पड़ता है, उन्हें ट्रेजरी बिल्स इशू करने पड़ते हैं। हमारी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया भी करती है, सेम एज यूएस गवर्नमेंट, एंड अदर कंट्रीज कैन बाय इट, इंडिविजुअल्स लाइक अस कैन बाय इट। लेकिन underlying asset of that bill is what? It used to be gold at one time, right? But जब उन्होंने बेहिसाब पैसा छापा और उन्हें लगा कि अब उनका डेट बहुत बढ़ गया है, तो उन्हें रियलाइज़ हुआ, जब यूएस डॉलर डी वैल्यू होने लगा 1970s में, उन्हें रियलाइज़ हुआ कि लोग शायद अपना कॉन्फिडेंस ऑन यूएस डॉलर लूज़ कर जाएंगे। When I say log, I mean countries, and they will start demanding gold against their US dollar bills, which was perfectly legal at that point in time. तो US dollar ने एक master stroke खेला to start from scratch. That is, they said US dollars are no longer backed by gold. So if let's say India has hundreds of millions of US dollars, they could have exchanged that US dollars against gold, which was sitting in warehouses of US, reserves of US. But after this new change, India lost that power, lost that option, and along with India, every other country. What it did to us? It rose our poverty. It directly impacted everybody else in the world except US. Now, the interesting fact that I was gonna tell you, what is happening today? Again, today, US is afraid. There is a fear that US dollar is going to get devalued. There is de-dollarization, talks of de-dollarization going through the world. So what are they gonna do now? Exactly the same thing. Now they're gonna change it from oil based to crypto based US dollar. What would that mean? So let's say if Pakistan has US invested in US treasury bills, US will heavily invest in crypto, marketing crypto in the world, and then one day tell everyone that okay, US dollars are based off crypto, and here is against your US treasury bills, which you have, the money that you have given us against US treasury, please take these bitcoins, or in their, I mean they are heavily investing into stable coins, so please take these stable coins. And then once everybody is very much deep into stable coins, they are gonna devalue US dollar again by saying that only your stable coins are only half the worth of US dollars. So they are going to again start from scratch. They have this master stroke planned all this while we were sitting eating in our houses. US has planned to make us poor again. Here we go. Think about it. Let me know what are your thoughts.